Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Ncert Class 5 English, the poem Teamwork. If you dance in a group or you participating in a running race or singing poems together in the class, each and every one of you are in a teamwork. It is a fun and an enjoyment to be part of a team. It is a fun and enjoyment to be part of a team and working towards to achieve a great goal. Here we are learning a new poem about teamwork written by Jan Negro. Do you like to work and play with others? Yes, all of you are eagerly waiting for classes to reopen and want to do the lessons and classworks together. You also like to play and wish to share your lunch together, aren't you? Now we are going to learn the poem Teamwork. Here are some new words. The first word is teamwork. What is it? Teamwork, meaning combined effort of a group. Teamwork, meaning the combined effort of a group. Hoop. What is hoop means? Wooden or iron ring. Wooden or iron ring. Hoop means a wooden or iron ring. Wooden or iron ring or a circular band of wood or metal. Third word is passes, meaning move onward. Passes, move onward. What's the word? Passes means move onward. The fourth word is relay race. Relay race means a race between teams of which each person does part of the distance. Race between teams of which each person does part of a distance. The next word is baton. Baton means short tube or stick carried in relay race. Baton means short tube or stick carried in relay race. Shoot. What's the meaning of shoot? The next word is shoot. Try to score a goal. Try to score a goal. There are so many meanings for the word shoot, but here in this poem it means try to score a goal. Now let us sing and dance the poem Teamwork. Teamwork, teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or a me becomes an us. Here are the rhyming words. What are they? Team, dream. Whole, goal. Team, dream. Whole, goal. Plus, us. Joy, toy. These are the rhyming words. You can also make some rhyming words for these words in the poem. The words are team, plus, done, hoop, shoot, goal, joy. What are they? Team. The rhyming word for team, first we written it as dream, and you can make another word as beam. P-E-A-M, beam. Plus. For plus, we wrote it as us. And now you can make a new word, bus. B-U-S, bus. Gun. Hoop. Loop. shoot, root, gold, soul, joy, toy, joy, toy. These are the rhyming words that you can make of your own. Complete the following sentences. If nobody passes the ball in a basketball game, then you can't shoot. If nobody passes the ball in basketball game, then you can't shoot. In a relay race, if no one passes the baton, then a relay race cannot go on. Then a relay race cannot go on. Name the team members needed for the following. To play cricket, we need batsmen, bowlers, fielders, coaches. Second, to make a film, we need actors, directors, technicians, and viewers. To run a good school, we need principal, teachers, peons, and students. To run a restaurant, we need manager, cook, waiters, and customers. Now read the poem. For want of a nail. For want of a nail, the shoe was lost. For want of a shoe, the horse was lost. For want of a horse, the rider was lost. For want of a rider, the battle was lost. For want of a battle, the kingdom was lost. And all for the want of a horseshoe nail. Now form questions for the answers given in the speech bubbles. The shoe was lost because of the nail. It is the answer. And the question is, why was the shoe lost? The second answer is, the kingdom was lost because the battle could not be fought. And the question is, why was the kingdom lost? The third answer is, the battle was lost because there was no rider. And the question is, why was the battle lost? Why was the rider lost? The rider was lost for the want of a horse. Why was the horse lost? The horse was lost because of the shoe. Why was all lost? All was lost for the want of a horseshoe nail. Look at the picture and answer the questions in one sentence. Who is laying the bricks? A mason laying bricks. Who is holding the ladder? A laborer holding the ladder. Who is the man on the ladder? An electrician is on the ladder. Who is making the door? A carpenter is making the door. Who is painting the walls? A painter is painting the wall. Write the contractions for the following phrases. Has not, hasn't, do not, don't, have not, haven't, are not, aren't, were not, weren't, was not, wasn't, she will, she'll, who is, who is. Thank you. This is the end of the lesson Teamwork of English Class 5. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe.